Ooh, it's on! It's gonna be on now.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Those vegan guys.
I thank you. Hello, I'm Paul.
I'm Jason.
And together we are Those Vegan Guys. And here's our joint best friend, Miss Mary Stuart Crowther, Meryl Street, Margaret Elizabeth Polstein.
Hiya.
So this is it. We've eventually gotten around to doing the nuclear noodle challenge, which is completely unfair on Stuart, actually, isn't it? Because you're not a lover of the spice.
I don't do well with hot things.
Oh no, you do better now.
I do better than I were. I were awful.
Yeah. But now he has my Chinese platter as I make it for us. First time I made you that, I adapted it.
Did you?
Yeah,
I never knew that.
Wait, when you came around with Sean.
Ah, right.
I did the Chinese platter, and I did a milder version for you two.
I never knew that.
Yeah.
You've come along leaps and bounds, Stu.
Leaps and bounds. It's a measure.
You've just sent it into the red.
I'm really sorry.
You've sent it into the red.
Leaps and bounds is a measure in Britain. For those of you, our American and Australian and European friends who don't know colloquialisms. So yeah, I'm going to get on with cooking the noodles over there. Then we're going to sit here. We're going to challenge ourselves to eat the noodles with no drink. And you have 5 minutes to do it. Apparently that's the challenge. The noodles you've seen on the thumbnail there. They are the samyang 2 times spicy noodles. Now apparently they're only 8,800 Scovilles, which isn't actually a lot when you consider that some of the chilies are a million Scovilles.
Could you explain Scoville for those of us that are uninitiated?
It's like the heat measure.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Yeah.
And they're only 8,800. So we should be okay with that. But we'll see.
I like my spice, and even I'm a little bit nervous about this, to be honest. So I think it's going to be interesting. We're well aware that out there are people who eat chili far hotter than this, but we're
Stupid people.
We're those vegan guys, and we're going to start somewhere. We're going to start here, and it's going to be carnage, I think.
Don't say that. These are not the things that are making me want to do this.
Well, you lot asked for it. We're going to do it.
You heard of Stockholm Syndrome?
Ooh, it's on. Ooh, it's on. It's gonna be on now.
Yeah.
We have our nuclear noodles. 3 portions of, and I have a 5-minute timer
Can't even use chopsticks.
on my phone. Are we ready, guys? This will start beeping when 5 minutes is done.
I'm quite excited about this.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
Go ahead.
I've started it. Oh, I've started the timer.
Oh, that's too much. Oh, it's right big, that.
I've suddenly forgotten how to use chopsticks. It's temperature hot before I've even tasted it.
Oh,
I can
they're
tell.
delicious. They're delicious, actually. Got a lovely flavour to them. No?
Whoa.
The flavour's nice.
Okay. So, I've not done a huge amount of research on this one, as I wanted to be pleasantly surprised, or not, as the case may be. But a little bit of reading I did do. Quite a few people said...
Oh!
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Thank you. Oh, but I'll put them in the bin. I kind of want to eat them, but I won't because it's a video.
Gross. She's from Rochdale. She'd have well put them in a butty. No one will do it.
Yeah, some people said it's a creeper, but I'm feeling it straight away. Anyone else?
Oh, there's a noodle sticking out of the bin like a creature.
You've got 3.5 minutes left.
Oh, have I got to eat them all by then?
Yeah.
Or I'm not allowed?
That's the challenge.
Oh.
You have 5 minutes to eat the bowl of noodles.
Okay. Oh, it's
Oh yeah, it's got some.
gee. Oh, that first one were alright, and then that sang. Oh.
Having looked at the ingredients, it's chili extract that's in here, which is obviously what pushes it up the Scoville scale somewhat.
You know, there's culinary experimentation, and then there's just sadism.
Oh,
And this is the latter.
got a breather for a minute. Starting to sweat. Eyes are slightly starting to water.
Oh,
I'm gonna need to blow my nose very soon.
cherry on your lip. Under your nose. Oh.
Pass me some of the kitchen roll.
I'm okay.
I'm a mess. 2.5 minutes, halfway through, guys.
Woo! Feeling it now?
Hey. Emmy Made in Japan says the trick is don't stop eating.
Okay.
Right. Well, yeah, easier said than done.
They're just very long,
They are very long.
aren't they? It's like lady in the
Well, they are a noodle,
I suppose.
you know. I like a noodle that's long, Karen.
I don't know if that's heartburn or early menopause.
Oh, it's catching up with me now. I'm really struggling with these chopsticks, and I don't normally.
I could do my knife, but it's every go for herself right now.
Knife.
Fork.
1 minute.
Oh, I won't be able to do it in a minute. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh. Yes, I'm wiping the table with my snot. Gloria MacArthur takes his hand and whispers in his ear, but laughs so loud he can't make out a word.
9, 8.
Be aware, they're just very long.
4, 3, 2, 1. No! You've got an extra 30 seconds.
Why?
Because you dropped some on the floor and that took up quite a bit of time. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. 4. Yeah!
On my lips.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Stop!
Jeez.
God! Well done, Stu.
Thanks.
Well done.
Thanks. Thanks to all the people out there.
I'm so sorry.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Show them.
It's an imprint of my lips. Will it be with me forever?
Do you need wine?
I
don't need this.
I do.
Oh, we had this on standby.
I've had lipsticks that performed less well.
Isn't that one already opened? You alright?
Yeah. I just...
Sharon, thank you.
Want milk or
No,
wine?
I'm gonna feel the burn.
I want wine.
I'm gonna feel the burn. I don't really want to move.
I want to cheers it.
Can't really move with the current situation as it is,
Stu,
obviously.
Would you pass us that open bottle of wine? Darling.
Where is it, love?
There, sticking up. And 2 glasses.
Woo!
Please, darling.
It's still there.
Oh, God, yeah. They'll be there for a while,
It's
yeah.
everywhere. Will it ever leave me?
But you know what this makes me think? It kind of makes me think, if this is hot, at 8,000, I'm up for doing more.
No,
Yeah, I could.
I couldn't. Well, I probably could if I'm honest, but I don't want to.
Wow.
Cheers, YouTube. And Facebook.
Cheers.
Love you guys. Oh, yeah.
My lips feel so alive.
Yeah, because when I'm eating wine.
Now, I'm guessing most of us out there are probably thinking, red wine's the worst possible thing you can have. Red wine's the worst possible thing you can have after spice. But it does help a little bit. It does. But it comes back straight away with a vengeance. With a vengeance.
My lips feel like they've been tattooed.
Yes. I told you it's all mouth, isn't it, though?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm hot.
I'm alright bodily.
My head's sweaty. My face is sweaty.
I've kept my hat on, so I suppose that's something.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I'm astonished, Stu. I'm astonished. You've done amazing.
Thank you.
The Stuart's got his hat on, hip 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 hooray! Stuart's got his hat on, but he's in a chilly haze.
Oh,
Very
Like it.
good. Yeah.
you know
James
what?
wants to out me.
Little insider info, okay, before we start to wrap this one up and go and recover. Little insider info. I said to the hubster before, I was like, if this isn't quite as hot as I'm thinking it's going to be, and I can handle it, I put some Reaper sauce on the side here. Carolina Reaper in Kona. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. Woo. And I was going to put some in. I was going to put some in, and I decided against it. And I'm glad about that. I'm really glad about that.
On a plus note, the samyang 2 times spicy chicken flavour noodles are delicious, actually. I don't know where they get this chicken flavour from, though. I mean, all I taste is heat, spice.
They just tasted like noodles.
Yeah.
Like generic yeah.
They are vegan if you put aside the palm oil. Unfortunately, this ingredient we're coming across, you know, in stuff all the time. We do our best like everybody else.
We do our best, and to be honest, the majority of the stuff that we eat doesn't have palm oil in it. This does. It was a chili challenge. It's not something we're going to be eating on a regular basis, that's for sure. Although, once every couple of weeks, I wouldn't say no. I enjoyed that. I genuinely enjoyed that.
I did.
When will it end?
It takes a good 10-15 minutes to cool
Oh,
down.
I've got a proper sweat on, I don't mind saying. Look at me.
Yeah. Oh wow! Look,
Oh,
look at the
wow.
armpits.
Okay, okay.
No, it's just, you know,
Yeah.
it's not off. It's not regular for you, that is it? Oh, in other news,
Edit that burp out.
we would love you. I've done about 7. We'd love you to go and have a look at our channel because we've been doing a lot of work on the content, on the titles, the thumbnails, the information, the hashtags,
Making it sparkly.
all of the above. So we'd love you to go and have a look and like some of our videos. We've really enjoyed this tonight. Set as another challenge. This one came off YouTube.
Yeah.
And then carried on Facebook, and a few more people were saying, "Oh, I feel like I've got a lisp."
It's the lips, the lisp lips.
A few people on Facebook were saying, "Oh yeah, chili challenge." So we've done it. We have done the nuclear noodle challenge. And quite enjoyed it. Thank you very much, hopefully. So yes, please go and have a look at our other videos. Stuart, please be a guest in more of our videos. They don't have to be challenge ones, but like taste tests and cookery ones and stuff.
I would like to do that.
Come along.
I'd like to say thanks to Stu for coming along and taking part and really upping his level in terms of spice tolerance. And we will drop a little follow marker in the video there. So follow Stu on his Instagram because he's
we'll put a link to his
interesting.
Insta. He is interesting.
He's right interesting.
Oh, he's right interesting, he is. Also, if you check out our channel page on YouTube, you'll see at the side now we've got Fam, Friends and Fab, which is just all channels that we're connected with. So there's my Actor Reactor channel, there's Jason's Jason Bromley music channel, there's the Vegan Queens, which is me and Stuart, there's Pink Triangle Theatre, which involved all three of us, there's Plaza, which is us two, there's our pals at London Vegans, and there's the Easy Vegan and Avant-Garde Vegan in there. Loving them all at the moment, to be honest.
Pretty awesome.
Spending quite a lot of time on YouTube. Kind of wondering why I've got a telly. Mainly for YouTube, turns out. Are we done?
I think we're done. So let's wrap it up and recover. And of course, as we always say, we love you guys. Thanks for tuning in and watching.
No, thank you so much. Thank you for being a part of our lives and for taking an interest in our channel and for watching our stuff and for liking and commenting and, you know, just sharing yourselves with us. So, as he said, we love you. Love you.
Love you.
Love you, my daughter.
Love you.
Love you, Stu.
Wow.
Until next time, please be excellent to each other. Aye, if you're watching this, you've got to the end of our video, so well done for that. And we appreciate you watching. We'd love it if you liked this video, shared it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, and
Click the bell for notifications.
And that way you find out about all our future videos. And there's a lot coming, honey, let me tell you.